Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I found another kitchen, my brother's, and I'm going to make some pizza.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Now I know you're probably wondering, is this all I do is make pizza? I make a lot of pizza. So if you want to go to my channel and just look at all the pizza videos and make all these delicious pizzas, be my guest. Today, what I'm going to do is I have some no evil vegan chicken here. And I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken pizza, and I have some Violife mozzarella. And I picked up some pizza dough from Wegmans. This is the white pizza dough. First thing you wanna do is get that dough in the shape of a pizza. I have my own dough recipe too. I didn't wanna do that. So here we have pre-made dough. I have my oven preheated to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. All I'm gonna do right now is make that crust, stretch that pizza out. Stretch the pizza. I apologize for the lighting in here. This wasn't a planned shoot. I should shoot this up in the air. Get yourself a pizza tray. This one has holes in it, so the bottom of the crust will actually cook. So if you do it how I just did it, you'll have yourself a perfect crust. Look at that. Perfect circular crust. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use some sauce. I just picked up my the tomato basil from Wegmans. Get the V on there. Vegan! Throw that on there. This will work just fine. You can put more or less sauce on if you want. We're also gonna put that barbecue chicken on there, so. All right, make sure you have yourself a nice sharp knife, and we're gonna go with the No Evil chicken. These guys are from Asheville, North Carolina, and I really love the packaging, and I also love the products I've tried so far. Here we go. This is my first time trying. I believe I probably tried it at the expo that I went to, but as far as me making something on my own with this product, I have not tried it. So open that up, and that's what it looks like. Pretty good. It's wheat gluten. I'll break it all up. Break it down. Now we need some barbecue sauce. So I have organic Wegmans brand barbecue sauce. And we're just gonna get messy. We're just gonna pour that in there. Just like that, nice and barbecue. Use whatever barbecue sauce you want, just make sure it's vegan. You don't wanna turn into a zombie halfway through eating your pizza. Mix that up all nice. You can put some seasonings in here if you want, maybe some garlic powder. I don't have that, I'm not gonna use it. My brother probably has it somewhere in the house, but got some Violife mozzarella. This is really, really good stuff. I love Violife. Let's peel it back. It smells very mozzarella-y, and I got like a little cheese grater here. Let's grate some cheese. That's great cheese. This shreds really well compared to some of the other cheeses out there. Great taste too. So those are two important things when you're making a pizza. Andy the pup is over there too. So I'm using about half of the package here, and that should be enough. All right, and now if you can imagine, we are gonna take this shell of a pizza, and I'm gonna put the No Evil chicken on first. I'm just gonna get right in here and use my hands. Okay, that's what we got going so far. We're gonna put the cheese on. Sprinkle that all around, nice and uniformly. Make that a cheesy pizza. Cheesy pizza. Kind of cheesy, isn't it? There we have it. Barbecue chicken pizza, veganized. Let's put it in the oven. And now we wait. All right guys, if you've seen my other pizza videos, you probably know what I'm about to do. It's been in there for about 8 minutes. It's time to take it out for a second. It looks wonderful tonight. Why do I take it out halfway through? I like to make the crust a little bit tastier and look a little better. So what I do is I usually water down or oil down. I haven't really been using oil lately, so I water down the pizza sauce. In this case, I have barbecue sauce, and we're just gonna spread it around the crust. And this is the point in time that if you have some of that everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, you can sprinkle that on there as well. But this is gonna work just fine because I don't have any. And now we have a nice looking crust. Let's get that back in the oven. And there it is. Barbecue chicken pizza. All right, let's check it out. There it is. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? All right, last thing left to do. We need to try it out. I need a chicken part. Just as I suspected, it's a delicious pizza. Go ahead and give me that thumbs up if you like the video. Shout out to No Evil Food and Vile Life for making a delicious product. And also a shout out to my brother for not knowing it, but letting me use his kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ooh, this is hot, 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 hot.